Hello everyone. So my name is Lakshika, and as we all know, there are hardly 19 to 20 days left for the upcoming FCAT exam. Those who all have been preparing really hard for the exam, keep going. This is the last stride you have to go for, and just prepare really hard for the exam and keep practicing more and more questions. And those who are not still in that mode of preparation, gear up. It is high time, and you can still crack the exam with very good score. In this video, I've discussed about the strategy of this last 20 days, how you can prepare and really score high. I have discussed about your time management and focus areas where you really need to focus, and really need to practice each and every day so as to get a really good score in FCAT. So don't get disheartened to all those people who haven't started preparing or who are in the preliminary stage of preparing. Just it's the right time, right moment. Work hard. You can still do it, and you can still get a very good score. And to supplement your this preparation, we have also launched a material on the official app, which you can download it from the Play Store, and the link is in the description. So please listen to this strategy very carefully. I have discussed all the pointers there, and stay tuned. And all the best. Work really hard. Okay guys, now I will be talking about the paper analysis. As you already know, the FCAT is divided into 4 sections. There are 25 questions of English, 25 of GK, 18 of mathematics, and 32 of reasoning. So this is the proportion of the actually mathematics statistics, like what are the chapters which you have to focus on in your last 20 days of preparation, and how can you nail the exam just by going through these 5-6 important chapters. So I would suggest you people, I would recommend you people, because this is what I've always done, to focus on these chapters as much as possible and practice as many as previous year questions, mock lagao, and go through these chapters. This is one of the slides which shows you about the numerical ability. What kind of questions have come, कितने किस चैप्टर से कितने आ चुके हैं आज तक, 2016 से लेकर 2020 तक किस चैप्टर से कितने क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं. You can pause the video, you can look at, you can take a screenshot and look at what and where you need to focus most upon. And as far as I can see, profit and loss and average are very very important chapters. Okay, and you must practice them as much as possible. And now I will discuss you my secret, or what is the strategy, what you can do in your last 3 weeks, or 20 days left for your exam, and what you can do. And I think it's more than sufficient. If you have already been preparing, it will boost your preparation. And if you have not been that regular in your studies, this is the time where you have to put in your last effort, and this is the time where you can actually do it and give it your all. So first strategy is, you have to have the time management. You have to focus on your weak areas. Remember, revision is the key, and solve as many as papers possible. And you can test yourself by mock tests. We are providing you mock tests as well. 5 mock tests are given in our this program of FCAT strategy of last 20 days. So you can go through that and solve those, and just get that confidence of cracking the exam. अब देखो, आई बिलीव दैट अब लास्ट के 20 दिन बचे हैं, तो जस्ट सिट एटलीस्ट फॉर 7 hours a day. यू विल हैव टू गिव दैट मच ऑफ टाइम, एंड इट्स वेरी क्रूशियल फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन. ओके, अपने टाइम को डिवाइड करिए. 2 hours रीजनिंग, 2 hour मैथ्स कर लीजिए, 1 hour इंग्लिश, 1 hour जनरल अवेयरनेस. रोज़ करना है इंग्लिश. एवरी डे यू हैव टू रीड एंटोनिम्स, यू हैव टू रीड वर्ड्स एंड सेंटेंसेज एंड मीनिंग्स एंड उनके सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स. अपनी ईडियम फ्रेजेस जितनी बार पढ़ेंगे उतनी बार ही कम है. तो कीप ऑन रीडिंग. एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस के लिए यू शुड गो फॉर स्टैटिक जी के पार्ट. करंट अफेयर्स में आपके जितने भी अवार्ड आ चुके हैं, जितने भी नोबेल प्राइजेज हैं, जितने भी चल रहा है अभी, उस सबको करिए. ठीक है. एंड डू प्रैक्टिस मैथ्स एंड रीजनिंग के 32 क्वेश्चन आने, 32 आर बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड यू कैन नेल 32 on 32 if you just practice, because it's very simple. So there are just last few days left. So just this is the course overview which we are on this amazing Officer's Mind platform are providing to you. It is available on the app. There are general awareness, there's English, there's numerical ability, reasoning. You can go for these notes, you can revise them, and just give that impetus or boost that is needed at the right moment, at the end moment. And this will really give you gain confidence, and you will be able to replicate that in your exam. So please, this is all what is available to you. Okay, there are current affairs, there are defense current affairs, there are 10-year short papers available, there on the app, everything is available. Just go there, and I think this is the high time which at which you should just give it your all and prepare really hard. And I hope that you will be able to do that. And all the best for the exam. It will be good if you work with this strategy. Definitely you're going to nail, you're going to score really high. And once you score really high, that gives you confidence. You can go to SSB with confidence, and वहाँ पे अगर nail करते हो तो भाई recommend हो गए तो merit में आना ही आना है. तो please start preparing, and all the best and good luck for your exam.